Welcome to the cabin tour of Majestic Princess cabin B234. This is a standard balcony stateroom on deck 11. The lamps on both sides of the bed are fixed on the tabletop, so you cannot move those. This side of the bed has light switches, but it does not have any power whatsoever, not even USB ports. So if you need those to charge your phone, you will want to either bring a really long cable or find a power bank to charge your phone overnight. This side of the bed does have two USB ports that you can use. The desktop does have three electrical outlets, one European and two North American plugs. The hairdryer is available inside the top desk drawer, but we found it weird that you cannot remove it, so it is going to take up space for any clothing that you might want to add to that drawer. This is a pretty standard sized balcony with two seating chairs and a table. Neither of the chairs recline. You can see the balconies of cabins a few decks below you, but luckily no one above you can see into yours. There's a dry bar in the corner with plenty of tabletop space, as well as a refrigerator to store any of your cold items. There is a large open closet just outside the bathroom door with plenty of room to hang all of your clothes, as well as a shelf up top for extra storage. Behind the door is a set of shelves that you can store your folded clothes, as well as a small safe that you can program a combination yourself. This safe was not large enough to store our laptops. The bathroom is pretty small. There are several shelves to store your toiletries as well as under sink storage. We found the shower size to be adequate, and the handheld shower was a nice addition as well. The thermostat controls were very easy to use. There's a full-length mirror for you to use when you're getting ready. Thanks for watching. If you have any further questions, please leave us a comment.